My name is Suki Dhanda, and this is my exhibition called Race, Place and Diversity by the Seaside. So my project is all based in Plymouth, and the whole theme was capturing people of all different backgrounds who were placed along the seashore. It was my own personal reaction to the Brexit vote. I was really disappointed and upset by the result. There were quotes of some people the next day who were saying they wanted to bring back Englishness, wanted to stand alone and be great again like they were just after the World Wars. And it just made me think, well, you weren't great on your own, not without the help of people from the rest of the world, you know, especially from the Empire. And really I wanted to see this as a positive reaction rather than angry reaction. And I said, well, let's try and capture the diversity in this city. I mean, I haven't been here for many, many years because I used to study here. And I thought it would be really interesting for myself as the whole experience of trying to find or meet people of diverse backgrounds. And because I was actually really sure who I would meet, if I would meet anyone. When you're doing a project or when you're taking pictures, you don't have a set image in your mind. It's not like when you go and do a job, for instance, a commission, where you know exactly what you have to look for and do and the location. And with this project, it's in your mind somewhere, the image, but you're looking for it, you're looking for something, and when you see something, you feel it. The people were really important, but it was also the landscape, the space around them was really equally important. It's really interesting looking around all the images, the finished work now, because it's almost they have some sort of timeless quality to them, but also you look at them and you think it could be anywhere in the world. And that's the beauty of them, because the whole message about thing with pro-Brexiters about splitting communities and splitting people up, where this is the celebration of bringing people together. This whole exhibition, you know, from taking the pictures, getting them printed, mounted, bringing them here, having them up. It's been such a process. Like when I look around and see them now finished up on the wall, it's quite amazing, really. It's quite an amazing experience that, wow, we managed to do this.